Hi friends, welcome to KansExplore. Today we'll see a snack item. It's a Jowar pops or popped Jowar. It's a very healthy snack. You can have it as much as you want without any guilt. So for this I am taken Jowar here. It's very rich in fiber. So this is how it looks. There are two varieties. One is a red one and the white one. I have taken the white one here. So now let's see how to make it. Heat a pan. Add little oil. You can add butter also here. To this I am adding salt. It's all your flavor. Whatever you want you can add it. I am adding pepper powder. If you want you can add chili powder also and little turmeric. That will give the yellowish color. Now mix them well with oil. Now I am adding half a cup of Jowar. Add little by little. Now mix them all well so that the Jowar is coated with masala and oil. Now spread them so that they have lot of space to pop. Let the flame be medium to high. Now cover the lid partially, leave some space for the air to escape, the hot air. You can see how it's popping. Just 2 minutes, you have instant snack here. So be careful, if you don't cover the lid, it will spread all over. Now once all have popped, just mix it with a spatula. That's it, our popped Jowar is ready. We'll transfer to the serving bowl. So allow it to cool and then you can fill it in an airtight container. See how beautiful it looks. Just like popcorn, isn't it? Really it tastes very good also with that salt and pepper. So you want to taste it? Then make it. If you like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.